Hi, I'm Keeli. And I'm Taya, and today we'll be doing the liquid density tower.
Most of these liquids can be found around the house and are generally regarded as safe to use. However, always practice common sense and read the warning label. Rubbing alcohol is highly flammable, and the label also advises you to use it in a well-ventilated area. We also recommend wearing gloves for this exercise, especially if you have sensitive or broken skin, as the rubbing alcohol and the dish soap may cause irritation.
So the ingredients are added from highest to lowest densities. So we've started with syrup, and the next ingredient will be dish soap. Make sure that you add enough ingredients to get a distinct layer. Just keep going. The next and final product we're adding today is the isopropyl alcohol. That's enough. Yeah. Slowly sinking down. Maybe like this too.
Liquid is a form of matter that is made up of molecules and atoms. A known trait of liquids is that the atoms or molecules do not have fixed positions and can change shape to fit that of any container, unlike solids that have a far more rigid molecule and atom structure. As you may have seen in our experiment, the liquids will settle out to form different layers inside the container in order of density. Density is a measure of mass per volume. Different liquids have different densities, as some of the particles are larger or more concentrated, and therefore the liquid is thicker or heavier. This experiment is a good representation of density and the properties of liquids, as it allows us to view how different fluids behave and interact with one another. Water, for example, has a major impact on life and life sciences, as it covers about 71% of the Earth's surface and is largely regarded as one of the most, if not the most, important substance in sustaining life. An example of the importance of density and water is when water freezes and forms ice. As ice is less dense than liquid, it will float to the top. We see this in winter when bodies of water freeze over. If a lake were to solidify from the bottom up, aquatic life would die as their metabolic and growth rates begin to slow and ultimately their bodies freeze. Knowing that the density of water is greater than the density of oil also helps scientists in the real world in the event of oil spills. This is a major concern as it can severely damage the flora and fauna of that ecosystem. Because oil is lighter in density than water, it will float on the surface. Knowing this helps scientists to discover ways of efficiently cleaning up those spills while minimizing harm to the environment.
We hope this video has presented the basics of what we believe to be a very fascinating subject of liquid density. Liquid density should not be underestimated in its applications to everyday life and its naturally occurring environmental importance. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.